Flow in Angular 17. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel Frontend Insights. Today we are getting hands-on with uh, a fantastic new feature in Angular 17, built-in control flow. This lets you write control flow logic directly in your templates, making your code cleaner and easier to manage. Okay, so traditional control flow directives like before Angular 17, we relied on directives like ngIf, ngFor, ngSwitch to conditionally render content and loop through data. These directives are effective, but they can add clutter to your templates, making them less readable. Okay, so new built-in control flow in Angular 17 takes things a step further with built-in control flow. It uses an syntax for control flow statement like if, else, for, and switch. This allows you to write these statements directly within your components template. Okay, so what are the benefits of built-in control flow? It improves the readability. Means template become more concise and easier to follow. Type safety. The Angular compiler can perform better type checking within control flow blocks. Okay, and then performance gains. Okay, so built-in control flow can potentially lead to performance improvement in some scenarios. Okay, so now let's see the code example. Okay, so let's see how this works in action. Imagine you have a component with a variable is logged in. Okay, in the past you might have used star ngIf like this, uh, like this. Okay, so you can see on the UI, welcome, you are logged in with ngIf, star ngIf. Okay, so with built-in control flow, you can rewrite this as div at the rate if is logged in, welcome, you are logged in with if at the rate if. So both ngIf and at if work on the latest Angular 17. Okay, so here you can see the output on the browser. Okay, this is much more compact and easier to understand. Notice notice the at the rate if directive at the beginning. Okay, so let's have the code example using the at the rate for. Okay, so built-in control flow also includes an at the rate for directive for looping through an arrays. Okay, so here's an example iterating over an atoms array. Okay, so here you can see at the rate. So this is similar to the ng for, but uses ng add for and separate the loop variable and the iteration item means of items with of similar to star ng for. You can use an optional track expression to improve the performance. You can use the uh, track here. Okay, so earlier we used the track by, likewise we can use the track here. Okay, so let's have the code example using at the rate switch. You can also use at the rate switch for switch statement. Div at the rate switch, then fruit. Okay, so this uses the at the rate switch directive with the variable fruit. Each case is defined with at the rate case followed by the condition. Okay, so and there's an optional default at the default for anything that doesn't match the cases. Okay, so you can see on the UI. Okay, so let's end this video like means the conclusion. Some built-in control flow is a powerful new feature in Angular 17 that streamlines your template and improve code readability. It has the potential to significantly enhance your Angular development experience. So guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more such videos. Let me know in the comment what other features you would like to see covered. Thank you and happy coding.